And let's go. In today's video, I'll show you how to start up a country pop idea in the style of Morgan Wallen, Shabuzi, Dasha, whatever country pop artist you like. This is how you do it. So I have started off with a country pop kind of style guitar riff here that I recorded earlier. Let me know if you want videos on how to record guitar loops, or if you want to get your hands on guitar loops yourself. Comment down below. But this is the guitar loop. It's a very simple guitar loop, actually very poppy, pop-ish sounding guitar loop. And yeah, the next step here to create a country pop style song is to actually start by recording your own voice. And I'm not a great singer, and you don't have to be either, but I feel like it's so important to actually have a foundation of some kind of vocal in your productions. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to put my headphones on first, and let's connect my microphone here. Now my voice should be in the Ableton suite here, and let's record something. I got some rest, I got some dance, I know my dice on the tattoo around my face. Ain't on the tattoo rusting, yeah, my something tattoo right. Ain't on the tattoo rusting, and it's all it done to me. Ain't on the tattoo racing, time my something tattoo right. Ain't on my better temper than my something done to me. Hey, yeah, oh, ain't on the bed time. Hey, oh, ain't on the tape. I keep my wrist up on my soul again. I get my wrist and I'm a dino road then. So I feel like that's a pretty good idea. That's actually everything that I have for this video, because my battery is dying, and I'll just continue this song in another video. But right now we have a great foundation. We have a great guitar line here, and we have a great vocal line. All we need to do now is to write some lyrics and to really program that drum section and really make this something special. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode of this adventure. Is that really a 6-minute video? Yeah, I guess it is. See you guys. Bye.